Diwali, the festival of lights. In fact, this is a festival that is celebrated not just in India but across the world. Within India, the traditions differ from state to state. Take a look at this report.
Diwali may be India's biggest festival, but the traditions and rituals differ across regions and states of India. In Gujarat, Diwali marks the end of the year. Gujaratis are celebrating it as Petsu Varsa or the New Year's Day. For the northern state of Punjab, Diwali marks the beginning of winters. For farmers, it is time to prepare for winter crops and harvest. Diwali is celebrated with much pomp and show across Gurudwaras in the state. In the eastern state of West Bengal, Diwali coincides with Kali Puja. Bengalis worship goddess Kali at night according to Tantric Hindu traditions. The Kali Ghat and Dakshineshwar temples in Kolkata are well known for their celebrations. In South India, people in Tamil Nadu have their own customs and traditions for Diwali. They have a sesame oil bath and offer prayers in homes and temples. But the celebrations are not just limited to India. Diwali is a public holiday in Fiji, Malaysia, Mauritius, Myanmar, Nepal, Singapore, Sri Lanka and even the Caribbean. The islands of Trinidad and Tobago is known for its celebration of the Festival of Lights at Diwali Nagar. The festival is celebrated with stage performances, folk theatre and fireworks. Indians in Fiji, Malaysia and Mauritius celebrate Diwali with similar customs and traditions. Bureau Report, WION.
Diwali means big business in India. People flock to markets to buy new clothes and products. This is an auspicious time to make purchases. Aditya Dhunna has more.
The festival of Diwali is perhaps the biggest sales opportunity for India's businessmen. Indians splurge on clothing, gifts, food, sweets during this festive period. This is a critical time for traders and businesses dealing with consumer durables as it brings in a major chunk of yearly sales. Diwali brings opportunities for small-time businessmen to set up temporary stalls and shops. Collectively, these businesses are valued in billions of rupees. Diwali is also a time for India Inc. to bet big. This year, big businesses are spending up to $5 billion on advertising, marketing and promotion of their products. They are hedging their bets on high demand during the festive season and a good season of monsoon. Automobile, consumer durables, banks and fashion companies are particularly aggressive this season. Diwali is also considered an auspicious time for high-value purchases. Gold traded at a premium this week, with dealers charging up to $2 more on an ounce of gold. The prices of gold have shot up for the first time since July this year. Bureau Report, WION.